is an opportunity for you to own a plot in a luxury estate along the Lekki-Epe Expressway, just opposite the newly launched Lekki International Airport. So many people miss the opportunity to buy land in Ikeja when it was still affordable before the international airport, and today they regret it. Now is your chance to do same, to grab a plot now while you can still get affordable lands right here near the new Lekki International Airport. Welcome to the Parliament, an estate located right here in Lekki. We have currently selling 300 square meters, 500 square meters, 600 square meters, and 1,000 square meters commercial and residential plots. This estate comes with the title Government Allocated CFO, so you have nothing to worry about. It is safe because it has a good title, and the space between the express road down to the estate is wide enough for you to fear of any demolition or loss of property. So if you're interested in owning one or more plots here, or you know anybody that will be interested in owning a property near the newly launched Lekki International Airport, give me a call right now to get started. Thank you.